I love Qatar because everyone here supports each other in school and outside.
Okay, I love Qatar because everyone's really close with each other and everyone's really kind to each other.
I love Qatar because of its diverse culture.
Qatar because it's a beautiful place and I live in it. I love Qatar because my beautiful place. I love the flag.
I love Qatar because it's a beautiful place.
I love Qatar because of the rich history.
I love Qatar. I love Qatar because it has so much fun things. Qatar is so fun. I love the flag. I love Qatar because it's so beautiful and the beaches are so nice and I like it there and I want to go there a lot.
I like the places and the culture and the educational is very good here.
Qatar has a lot of fun and activities. The Qatar have a lot of things in the world.
I like Qatar because it's safe and it really has fun stuff like Winter Wonderland. I'm planning on to go there.
I love the stadiums in Qatar and all the houses and museums. I love Qatar because it's a safe country.
I love all the kids' activities in Qatar.
I love Qatar because it's my favorite country and I love the museums and the atmosphere that is in Qatar. I love the really big parks in Qatar. I love Qatar because it has really good history. Qatar has a lot of opportunities. I love Qatar. Qatar is the best.
Happy Qatar National Day.